One of the most common mistakes that a counterbalance operator makes when working with a liquid propane gas cylinder is incorrectly reading the float gauge. When reading the float gauge, what most people tend to do is read the top reading, which is okay if the tank is sitting horizontally. However, if we were to remove the tank from a horizontal position and stand it in a vertical position, you can see the reading changes, and one may easily confuse an empty tank for a tank that's half full. To avoid this mistake, acknowledging that there are two different types of readings is key. There's one reading for when it's sitting horizontally, the reading is located at the top of the gauge, and one for when it's standing vertically, the reading will be at the bottom of the gauge. When reading the bottom reading, just remember, add means the tank is empty, and OK means there's still gas remaining. Hopefully this helps when you're reading a propane gas cylinder float gauge. Until next time from WorkSafe Training, stay safe.